Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 21st of December 2020. If you want to receive those videos and not to miss any, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button at the bottom of this video. And before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winner of the contest for my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now, you should see the name of the winner who won the indicator on your screen. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next video, and the prize of the contest will also be my flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next time in the next video I'll randomly pick one winner to win the indicator. Alright? So that's about the contest. Let's now go into the trading ideas. Before you can see my intraday trading workspace, which consists of 3 charts which show the same trading instrument. In this case, it is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. This chart is a 60-minute chart. It's sort of an overview chart with weekly volume profiles. This one is a 30-minute chart where I use my flexible volume profile. That's profile which you can move around like this. And this chart right there, the last one, is a 15-minute chart with fixed profiles. Those are 4-hour profiles. Those get printed automatically every 4 hours. So that's the workspace I use. And the first trading idea which I wanted to show you is on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So let's check it out. It's based on the recent development. It's based on those volumes which were accumulated before the selling activity which took place today. And I think that those volumes right there, this volume cluster, is volumes of sellers who are pushing through. You can see it better in here. This is the area I'm talking about. Those guys were pushing through weekly point of control, this one. So as they were pushing through, they were adding to their selling positions in here. And when there's a pullback to this level again, to the place where the volumes were the heaviest, which is at 80.78, then I think that those sellers will become active and they'll want to push the price downwards from this resistance again. Alright, they wouldn't want the price to go past the level. So that's the resistance on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen at 80.78. Let's now go into another trading idea, which is on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So this is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and there was also strong selling activity earlier today, this one. And before that, there were heavy volumes accumulated in here. You can see that currently the daily point of control is in here at 0.6902. And this is where the resistance is, because the sellers were pushing the price downwards and they were adding massively in their selling positions in here. And they pushed through this area. You can see that the price reacted to this area in the past, which means that it worked as a strong support, and then the price went past it, creating those volumes, and this support then became a resistance. Alright, so we have the volume accumulation setup based on the volumes, and also the price action setup based on the support becoming resistance. So when there's a pullback, I expect that the sellers who accumulated those short positions there will want to defend them, will want to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's the reasoning behind this resistance on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And let's now move on into our next trading idea. This one will be on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So those charts show the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and what I have in here is a trend setup. There is a downtrend, And within this downtrend, there is a significant volume cluster created in here. So the sellers were pushing the price downwards, then they were adding massively to their short positions in here, and then they continued pushing the price downwards. This is a place where they placed most of their short positions, and they will want to defend this place if there is a pullback. So if the price makes it back to 73.34, that's the point of control of this area, then those sellers will want to defend this zone, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's the logic behind this day trading resistance. And let's now go into the last trading idea of this video, and this one is on New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So before you can see the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc charts, and what I have in here is a volume accumulation setup. Very nicely visible, those heavy volumes were accumulated around 0.6284, and afterwards there was this strong sell-off. And this sell-off indicates that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers. Those sellers were building up their short positions in here, and they placed most of them around the point of control in here. So this is why I have the resistance there at 62.84. This is where I think the price should react if it makes a pullback. Alright, because those sellers who placed their short positions in here will want to defend those positions. They wouldn't want the price to get past those volumes and go upwards, so they'll do their best to defend this area and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, now if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, then I suggest you go to my website. It's trader-dale.com. And as you can see, we have a nice new Christmas design and a 50% Christmas sale actually, so you may want to check that out. You go to trading course and tools right there, and in here you scroll down a bit into the elite pack, which is a recommended training pack which I developed for you to learn to trade with volume profile, price action and VWAP. It's currently 50% discounted with a special Christmas sale. And what you'll get with this pack is video profile video course, which is 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. You'll also get my personal trading levels. That's the levels which I trade every day. That's daily trading levels and also monthly swing trading levels. You will also receive volume profile pack, which is a pack of volume profile indicators which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. And there is a bonus. You'll get free VWAP indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8, and also you'll get a book which I wrote, a volume profile, the insider's guide to trading. And there's also another bonus which is not written in here, but you'll also get my other book which I just wrote. It's called the Order Flow Trading Setups. It's not available anywhere else, but you'll be able to get it if you purchase the elite pack. Alright, so that's about the elite pack. And there's actually one more bonus. It's the free tech support for elite and Order Flow pack members. And what that means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators, workspaces. They'll set you up with data feed, and they'll do that absolutely free of charge through TeamViewer, so you can start focusing on learning to trade instead of reading manuals and setting it all up. So that should speed things up for you and make it go smoother. Alright, so that's about it. That's about this video. Also, that's probably the last video which I'll do this year. So if I won't make any more, if I don't have any more chances to wish you a great Christmas, then I would like to do so in here. So you guys have a great Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish you all the best, have fantastic and relaxing holiday, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next year. So until then, happy trading!